Hi, my name is Dr. Mitesh Jivan with Advanced Park Dental, and I would like to introduce you to some of our favorite patients. We always believe that good oral health starts at an early age. What we like to encourage is parents bringing their kids into us as early as 6 months, primarily just to kind of do a little bit of coaching to make sure that our little friends here don't end up with cavities. Now, this is an example of a 2-year-old. He comes to our office. We started off with some play dates, and now he's totally comfortable in the chair. Our hygienist Linda here can get in there, check his teeth, polish as need be, even do just a small treatment of fluoride just to keep his teeth nice, strong, and healthy. After the cleaning, of course, we try to keep the atmosphere nice and fun for them. They get to pick out a toy from our treasure chest, and of course they love taking pictures and having fun. So it's never too early to really get started with your kids' oral health, and anywhere from age 6 to age 90, we're happy to take care of you.